Good morning, y'all. Before I start my day, I usually get a workout in, so let's go do that. Alright, y'all, so workout is done. Now it's time for a wash day, so let's get into the shower. Alright, y'all, so now it's time to wash my hair, and I'm going to shampoo and condition, so let's get into it. I'm just wetting my hair and making sure my hair is fully saturated with water so that all the products work together. So now, after making sure my hair is fully saturated with water, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Sweet Ginger Cleansing Shampoo. So let's get started. So now I'm just going to use a little tiny bit and apply it only to my scalp. And I use my fingertips to make sure I'm picking up all the dirt that's on my scalp from the week or weeks. So just make sure my hair is clean. And I'm going to rinse it out and clip my hair. Alright, I'm about to do the rest of my hair with the shampoo, and then I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to condition my hair, and I'm going to use the Jansen's Moisture Max Conditioner. And since it's mid-wash day, usually I would decondition on a weekday, so we're going to use this conditioner. And I like to use a lot of conditioner because I have a lot of hair. And this conditioner melts away your curls. It contains coconut milk and aloe vera, which all help with hair growth and moisture. And what I like to do is apply my conditioner to all of my sections, put my hair up, let it sit for a minute in the shower, soak in all the moisture, and then I'll detangle and rinse it out. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to apply it like this, and then let it soak in while I put it up. Make sure to pay close attention to your ends and your edges. So this product is really, really thick, which is good. We're going to take the top off, and because I'm impatient, and I'm going to squeeze it out and apply it to my hair. I said I'm going to go ahead and let my hair sit in the shower for a few minutes. Usually I'll wash my body up and get, nice and clean, and then rinse my hair out, detangle, and do all the goods to my curls. Alright, y'all, let me go do that. Alright, so my hair has sat for a few minutes, and now I'm going to finger detangle. I've already slightly finger detangled, and this helps so that I don't pull a lot of my hair out through the knots and tangles. And after I'm done finger detangling, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out, and then we're going to get on with our wash and go out of the shower. Cold. Okay, so after I get out the shower, I will apply my oil. Today I'm going to be using the cacao nib and honey for ultimate hair growth. You can use this as a sealant, anything. I use this to seal in all my moisture and just go over my hair. So now I'm going to use the coconut water leave-in as my leave-in. And I make sure to work the product all throughout my hair because this is going to help my hair stay moisturized throughout the week, day, however long I decide to keep my washing going. And after I finish applying my leave-in, I always apply a cream, which is something most people don't do when doing a wash and go. And this is to get a little extra moisture. And it's whipped, so it really is one of the perfect consistencies for my hair texture. And you don't need too much. Now I'm going to apply my curl maker, and when I do this process, this is when I will split my hair up into sections to style my hair. Now I'm going to part my hair for my wash and go. So I'm gonna have 3 parts again, just this time a little different. So I've applied my curl maker to most of my hair, and now I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair with the same product accordingly for the rest of my day. And it's very moisturizing and doesn't keep the crunch in my hair, so I don't have to worry about scrunching it out. So now I'm going to get my brush, and usually I'll just slick them edges how I want them, just so they stay. And then I gotta grab my handy dandy toothbrush. Y'all know how this goes. Just slick your edges down slightly. And I like to perfect my parts after my hair is done. And we have to wait for the drying process, and I air dry, so this is how I will go about my day. Day 2, my hair will shrink, and yeah, that's my wash and go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Lots of movement, lots of moisture. Peace, y'all.